again from ARABNOY kitchen. For today's video, I want to make ground meat sambosa or ground beef sambosa. So, have you remember before guys, I make chicken sambosa for today. I will make again ground meat or ground beef sambosa for our Ramadan. So, it's 10 a.m. in the morning and start na naman sa pagluluto guys ng ating pang-iftar mamaya. So let's start for our ingredients for today. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe to my channel para palagi kayong updated sa mga bago kong video. Idamay nyo ng notification bell at i-click nyo yung all. Kung gusto nyo matutong maluto ng mga Arabic foods and Filipino foods. So, this is Juliet again from ARABNOY kitchen, OFW from Dubai. Let's start! So guys, let's start to make our meat for sambosa. So first guys, I have this, all the ingredients. I have 3 onion. I will make it crush. Then, for our spices, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon salt, 3/4 tablespoon of bishar, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 kilos of ground meat, and our vegetable. This is coriander, this is parsley. So this is 1 stalks each. Then I will cut this into small chopped. So first guys, we have to put our meat here in the pot. And then I put all the spices. Then crush this onion. So our vegetable we have to put later before cook with 1 piece of green onion, green chilli. 1 small piece of green chilli, hot chilli, green chilli. Now this is our onion, so I put now in our meat. Now guys, we have to wash now our vegetable. So we have to wash this properly because this is very dirty. So how you wash the vegetable? Like this. Strainer, then change the water, this too much dirty, and wash again. And also the another one like this. Wash like this. I wash in running water. Then you have to cut. It's okay. It's clean already. Now guys, I cut our vegetable for meat sambosa. Just like this. You have to cut very small. Cut all vegetable like this and put later after cook your meat. Because this vegetable no need too much time to cook. Now guys, this is my vegetable. So later we have to put on our meat. Let's check our meat guys. It's already boiling. I put a little bit tomato paste. Just little bit. 1 tablespoon for a color. No need too much because if too much it's like a saluna. It's like already stew. So just for taste and additional color to your meat also. So let's put cover again. I think I need to add more spices later. So 1 teaspoon more. It's not enough. So later I will taste first. Check our meat. It's coming cooked now. We have to finish the water before we have to put in sambosa leaves. So guys, I put now the vegetables. This one. I think it's more. It's need to cook more because this one become watery. So more watery. So we have to cook long time to finish the water. I think later I taste the salt if okay or not. See? Some become sticky, no? Sticky. Become balls. So we have to mix all before. Because otherwise it become balls. See? Too much balls. It's hard to separate. So now this is our meat for sambosa. It's already cold. So we can put now in our sambosa bread. This is all meat. So now I have this again. Flavored water for paste in our sambosa bread. This is sambosa bread or sambosa leaves. So I stop now. Little bit, only half tablespoon. Oops, it's not too much. One more. So you have to make sure guys na there is no hole here on the side, on each side. You have to lock it all so the oil will not go inside if you make fry.